Hi everyone, so let us start with determinants of a matrix. Right now, this is what a matrix A. We have A, B, C, D up to what K. Now to find the determinant of this matrix, now look at the first entry here. Let's say we have this is my fourth entry here. Just cross it like this, right? Cross it like this. This is the first. You can see that the first entry here is what A. Write your A. You now leave it what E, F, H, K. That's how we got this thing, right? That's number first entry. Now the second entry here, look at it. I can also say, well, look at it. You call this first row here, call this one. You can see that the first entry here is what? B. This might be, but don't forget that we normally have a plus, minus, plus, right? This is minus B. We now leave it what? D, F, okay, D, F, J, K, okay, J, K. That's how we got that. Now the last one is also we have this one as well. Let me call this one as well. We call this one like this, okay, cross it like this. The first entry here is what is my C. Put your C here. Don't forget that as well, plus, minus, plus, right? This one will be what? Plus C, right? We now leave it for D, E, D, E, J, H, okay, D, E, J, H. That's how we got all this one, okay. Now we can now find the determinant of this one, which is EK up to, we have done this determinant before by 2 by 2, so we are done with this. Now example, now let's say we go to the next question here. Look at this question now. We want to find the determinant of this one, so let us find the determinant of this matrix now. Now to solve this one now, so look at the way I'm going to do it. So I've explained it earlier. So here I can do what? Just cross something like this, cross it like this, call this one like this. You can see that the first entry here is what is your 2. Put it here. You now leave it for 2 by 2, 0, 4, minus 1, minus 2, okay. That's how we got this one. Now the second value here, I can also what? Just what? This one is for first entry here. Just cross it like this. By the middle one here, we now have for 3, 4, okay, 3, 4, 3 and minus 2, okay, 3 and minus 2. Look at it. That's how we got this one. Now the next one is, the last one is what we also have for 6 here. Just cross it like this. This one is for entry here. Don't forget that it's plus, minus, plus, because this one is minus here. Put your minus here. Cross it like this. We now have for 3, 0, 3, 0, 3 minus 1, okay. It's step by step. Now let me now go ahead now. Let me now find 2 by 2 matrices now. Now let me find 2 by 2 here now. Here now we can say my M is equal to what? 2 into what? 0 times minus 2. 0 times minus 2 minus 1 here times what? 4. Don't forget. So we will double minus here. Minus 5 into what? 3 times what? Minus 2, okay. Find the determinant of 2 by 2 here, right? Minus 3 times what? 4, okay. Minus, here we can say 3 times minus 1, right? 3 times minus 1, okay. Minus what? 3 times 0, 3 times 0 here, okay. Now let's continue. We can now have M is equal to what? 2. This one is what? 0. This one will be plus 4. Minus 5, okay, into what? This one will be what? Minus 6, minus 12, minus 6 into what? What do we have here? This one will be minus what? 3, okay. So we have minus 3 here. Now this one will be what? M is equal to what? 2 into what? 4, minus 5 into what? Minus 18. This one will be what? Plus 18. So let me use my calculator to get the answer. Now here now I can say 8. So the 8 is equal to what? 2 times 4 is what? Is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Let me use my what? 8. This one will be what? Plus 5 times 18. 5 times 18. We have what? 90. 90 plus what? 18. Let me add everything together. Plus 8 plus what? 18 plus 18. The final answer is for 116. You can see that my option is what? B. Okay.